Alright, so now we're gonna install the sink. The vanity sink, this is the big sink. It's all one molded thing. I think it's, I don't know what this material is, but it's more like a coil or solid surface. I think this is what it is, solid surface. So everything looks good so far. Everything is prepped. So what you do is you put silicone around here, all around, and then you just put the countertop on. But before I do that, we have to do a dry run. So we put it on just first without anything on it, so it's not sticking. And it's heavy. So I put it on here just to see how it fits. And then we can put the silicone. Put it right there. Ah, looks good. Look at that. Beautiful. There it is. Yeah, it looks pretty. Looks nice. Yeah, of course the walls are never straight. I'll have to remove this sticker. But it looks good. Drywall looks good. Just checking to see where I need to put the silicone. Sometimes they have this thing so weird. So pretty much the only places I need to put silicone is in the corners here. So I don't need to put silicone everywhere. It's just like on the corners here, that's where they have these things sitting on the cabinets. Alright, so it's very important to check. So you don't just put silicone everywhere and then it's not really holding the cabinet. So perfect. So I'm gonna take it out again. Gotta be careful, because if you drop this, it breaks. But this was like almost $400 to just buy that. So, oh, let me show you what I'm talking about. Here. So this is the only section you can put silicone. Right here, because this is all lifted up again, and then on the corners there, all that's going. So just cut it right there, and then this usually comes like a little metal thing that pokes. There it is. I have to wipe it off so it doesn't dry. It's like a wet towel. I always need one of those when they're doing silicone. Alright. And that I don't like to touch this stuff, so I'm gonna put on my glove. There you go. Alright, so then let's put this in here. Turn that around. There we go. So, got it right here. Don't put it too much, then it will go everywhere. When you put this, when you put the counter, so just put a little bit, but good enough. So when you put the countertop, it doesn't. And this stuff is easy. If you mess up, you can say wet towel is the trick on this. So if something is too much, just use a wet towel and it cleans it off. Alright, so now let's put the counter back. The vanity joint is on the counter. There it is. Look here, it's perfect. Yep. Let's do that. And then, okay, since this is white, I can just still use this white. Sometimes it's easy to just use clear. This is not white countertop, so I can. So, in order to test this, the best way to get this in here well is by using your fingers. There it is. See with your wet finger, wipe it off quickly. And when you see like a little hole still there, let's put a little bit back there. And just use another, there it is. And then wipe off excess. I think it might be on the unnecessary there. There you go. It looks beautiful. Then you're gonna do here as well. Go. Wipe it off. Sometimes if you don't wipe it off, there's sticks on the wall. And then when it dries, it don't look that good. there it is. So when that dries, it's gonna hold these tight, and we'll be able to move it. So there it is, guys. We just installed a bathroom vanity top. It looks fantastic. Guys, leave a comment, tell me how I did, and if you have any questions and want to learn a little bit more of what I did and what I didn't do right. For those the pros can correct me. I'm a student. Please correct me, tell me what I did wrong so I can learn. And all of us can learn, all right? Thank you.